A growing and diverse economy, a talent pool of forward-thinking young explorers, entrepreneurs, and families, businesses and people who have found their home and their future in a spectacular setting in the community of Salmon Arm. Salmon Arm offers a balanced lifestyle of community and exciting outdoor recreation. But the community is also so much more. Did you know that Salmon Arm boasts a thriving entrepreneurial and tech manufacturing cluster? Salmon Arm is home to more than 80 high-tech businesses, primarily comprised of high-tech manufacturing, employing a workforce of over 700 people. 4 in 10 residents living in the community are categorized as creative class. We have the 8th highest high-tech manufacturing employment per capita across all 162 communities in the province of British Columbia. In order to be successful and continue to build upon these economic strengths, the need was identified to unite efforts and define a clear vision and competitive position as a destination for talent, companies, investment, and tourism. Out of this need for collaboration, the Salmon Arm brand development process began. In the fall of 2017, a brand leadership team was formed with 12 community organizations who joined forces to help articulate, position, brand, and communicate the city's unique and authentic competitive advantages. The goal of this process was to establish one message that could be shared from a common voice. During the year-long process, the brand leadership team worked with Resonance Consultancy, who walked the community through their strategic methodology. This included community involvement and collaboration of stakeholders at every step. Data was collected in 40 economic indicator categories to measure Salmon Arm against 11 other comparative communities. The data showed that Salmon Arm outperformed its competitors in several important and sometimes surprising categories. We are number 1 in prosperity, a measure of income, opportunity, and innovation. Number 1 in safety, a measure of the frequency and severity of crimes. Number 1 in high-tech manufacturing, a measure of our share of employment in this sector. Salmon Arm has a competitive advantage for investment and innovation in specialized industries. The community determined that this is the important thread of the story for Salmon Arm. We are proud to introduce the new Salmon Arm brand. Small city, big ideas. Salmon Arm is a small city with big ideas, whose combination of beauty and forward thinking attracts young explorers, entrepreneurs, and families of all ages. They're seeking a welcoming place that's open to innovative ways to build a life where they can do more, live more, and make more of a difference. In a spectacular setting ideally situated on a key transportation crossroads, Salmon Arm offers a warm and welcoming community, varied activity, prosperity, and true opportunity. Lifestyle and prosperity, Salmon Arm offers both. Small city, big ideas truly expresses what Salmon Arm is, who it attracts, what they find here, and why they love it. So who are we trying to attract with our brand story? Families with children and boomerang talent. These potential residents live in smaller communities in British Columbia and are seeking a more affordable and family-friendly lifestyle with access to outdoors and good schools. Boomerang talent refers to people who are from the region and have gone elsewhere to find opportunity. Our aim is to have them boomerang back to the city. Millennials inspired by the quality of life and access to the outdoors. People between the ages of 20 and 35 seeking balanced lifestyle, affordability, opportunity, and access to outdoor amenities. Visitors and tourists. Salmon Arm welcomes visitors of all ages. Many of them come from close to home. We'd like to expand our appeal and attract visitors on a year-round basis with the support of community partners like Shuswap Tourism. High-tech manufacturing businesses. With more than 80 high-tech manufacturing firms in the industrial park and a downtown innovation center, Salmon Arm has developed a thriving cluster of businesses that are combining the latest technology with industrial capabilities. We'd like to attract more businesses like them, enhancing our reputation and bringing new skills and talent to the city. Our brand strategy portrays Salmon Arm as it truly is, with 5 distinct brand pillars. Opportunity meets community. There are cutting-edge companies doing business all over the world from Salmon Arm, but there's also a genuine small-town welcome here, and we're proud of that. Innovation meets recreation. The invention and ideas that make Salmon Arm a better place to work go hand in hand with a natural environment that makes it a prime place to live. Prosperity meets affordability. It's one thing to find a great job. First prize is also finding a great place to live that doesn't break the bank. Healthy meets daily. We're committed to the long-term sustainability of our environment so that Salmon Arm's healthy people and natural landscapes stay that way. Small city meets big ideas. Here's our very big idea. Take big-hearted people and add more than 80 high-tech firms. Watch the innovative sparks fly. Small city, big ideas. This is the essence of our brand. Here are some of the elements of the brand and what they represent. Our word mark embodies the many contrasts of our city, like innovation and playfulness, quiet and cutting edge, opportunity and lifestyle, nature and business, and technology and arts. Our color palette is inspired by our city's mix of innovation and beautiful natural surroundings. The blues reflect the sky, water, and mountains, while the hits of orange represent the vibrant activity within the city. This choice of colors inspired by nature also reflects our community's commitment to sustainability and the protection of our environment. Well, now you've been introduced to Salmon Arm's brand. What's your big idea? This brand is yours to use. It is truly representative of a community that works together. Review the brand guidelines. They tell you everything that you need to know about how, when, and where to use the branding. Let's use this incredible tool and work together to attract new people and talent to grow and strengthen Salmon Arm. Let's let everyone know that Salmon Arm is a small city with big ideas.